as you can see here, we have door frame opened. And we have the door here. I wish I had a recorder so I can just like place it there, but I don't have something like that, so see if we can get a good angle. Just like there. Yeah, that's a pretty nice angle. So we gotta hope that doesn't get out. So what we want to do first is you want to bring it up and over that lock mechanism. Got it all in place. Look at that. As good as new. Yeah. Okay. This is the high bit. It's getting this in without wrecking the door. It's not that hard to do, but fuck me, it's annoying. It's annoying. Because you gotta like thread it through. Okay. Well, there we go. Okay, hold up. We're gonna do this. I'll show you what I'm doing. So we're gonna try and thread this through that, because we miraculously failed 2 seconds ago. See if we can get it on. No. Give me 2 seconds. I don't know if you can see very well. 2 seconds of hassling. It's supposed to look like that, and that's supposed to come out like this, and then this you should just be able to kind of like pull in. That should be like that, and then kind of just smack it into place. Like that. And then we're pretty good. And that's your door frame. And then we just gotta put in the screws, which there's not many of. They're on the back seat here. And we've got to figure out which one's which. I believe this one is the one. So we just gotta chuck that in and then screw this on. The little plastic knobs on here. But everything should be fine now. We just get that in. Yep. So everything's in place to put everything back on. Just like, and then we just gotta like put it in. There we go. That goes in like that. Screw it, and then there's a little thing that goes in there. I'll show you all that as we go. So let me find the screws for this, and we'll get back to you. So once you get this on, screw it on. A little bolt in there, and a little bolt in there, and then sometimes there's a filler here, but I don't have that filler. Got to put a screw in there, and then you got to put this on. Now this will come off easily, unless you have a little horse clip that just slides onto there, and then it'll just slide onto there and then stay in place. But I'm going to leave mine off until I know I don't have to take this back off, which is hopefully never. But then I'm going to put my little screw in there so this doesn't fall out anymore. And then this door frame is done. It's good as new. We just now put this on, which is pretty simple. So we grab this. We grab this little horseshoe fella. Give me 2 seconds. Grab this little horseshoe fella. I'm gonna chuck her in here, like so. My finger in my chuck her in here. This is good. I'll show you guys once I'm done. So it should look like that. And you just slide it in through the top, and then put her in here, and then you kind of just, and she's good. She won't come off now. And she winds down like a beauty. Yeah. Fucking hate. Alright, and then she's all done. And then you just got to do the same to the other side, which is all done. And then you got your door trims back. And then you just do the reverse process of that, and then your thing's done. I just need to go put a bolt in there.